What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico and Mario and Graham. This is a 12:24 a.m. podcast recording of TNT versus Meralco. Oh, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to join our Facebook group, Six Man Podcast. Alam niyo na. And this Jordan Heading has been okay lang, no? This series, sometimes even bad. But in this game, this guy finally showed up. He had 30 points off the bench and actually had a game winner in a way, no? For Rain or Shine. For TNT. The go ahead and one to make it 97-94, no? And Chris McCullough
Right-handed pa
continued.
yun,
Was it right? Yeah, oo
Oo,
nga.
right-handed yun.
Yung ano niya. Yeah. The
Really weird
finish.
na nasa left siya pero he shot with the right. But yeah, go ahead with your point, sorry.
Yeah, basically, it's just the best game for Jordan Heading. It came at the perfect time wherein Calvin Oftana was off again. No, 4 for 12, 45 minutes, by the way, for Calvin Oftana. But knowing Calvin Oftana, gigising yan against Hinebra.
Siyempre,
Oo,
Hinebra
favorite
kalaban
niya
niya.
eh, Hinebra.
Favorite niya Hinebra, no?
Hinebra
Favorite niya.
kalaban niya.
Lahat
Ano ka
yan
ba?
man, Glenn Cabontean, sino pa
Favorite.
ba gusto mong gumising dyan?
Hindi
Jason
mo gusto
Castro, biglang
gising
yung
natin
pag
lahat. Kay
2015
Rain
Jason
ang
Maureen.
Castro yan.
bata. Rain ang bata kasi had the worst one of his worst seasons in his career. Against Hinebra.
Watch that
Bro,
flip.
Yeah. Mike Nieto, 25 points. Game 5.
Glenn
Promise.
Cobundin can't make a shot to save his life right now, but he's gonna go 4 for 4 from the
Yeah.
corner.
Against Hinebra.
Barkley Bonya, game for 12 points.
Claim, sino pa gusto mo magising?
Lahat, gising lahat sa
Bro,
Hinebra.
Kelly Williams is gonna be Curry again.
He had the airball pa kanina, di ba?
Uy,
Papasok
naka 4
lahat.
points yun kanina. Putik na 4 points.
Oh, bro, it turned out na
Kailangan nila yun.
ang laki nun
Kailangan
Ang
nila
laki
pala
ng
nun.
4-pointer niya actually
Kailangan
kanina.
nila.
Tinira ni
Wait,
Kelly.
before we start,
Guys.
guys. So before we actually get into this, we were asking, we were having a discussion about Coke Zero and all that. So I did some research, Graham. According to Healthline, a new research review indicates that sugary drinks and alcoholic beverages can contribute to hair loss. So, so I was not wrong when I told you that. I was not wrong when I told you that story. I'm just saying.
Alright.
Bigla intent nila yung baso, Mario. Did you see him put the
But-
glass away?
He's like,
But
I'm gonna
anyways,
I'm gonna get Coke Zero now,
do
baby.
you drink Coke Zero or Coke lang? Bro, parang, alam mo yun, parang, what do you call this? Yung sa girlfriend mo, hatid mo sa bahay, tas wala man lang kiss. Parang ganun lang yung Coke Zero, yung bitin.
Bro, is your mic connected to your AirPods, not your mic?
Oh,
I
can you
don't know.
check?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, okay
There
na.
you go.
That's what I'm saying, di ba? Parang hinatid mo yung girlfriend mo sa bahay after long drive, hindi ka man lang kinis. Parang ganun yung Coke Zero. Ang bitin lang, ganun. Wala lang.
Bro,
Yung real Coke,
I feel
may
like you're
kiss.
such a I don't want to say the word here on the pod.
Oh, wag.
You
Mahirap
always talk
madali.
about people kissing your neck. You always talk about you know, it always comes back to something like this.
Laging may landi.
I don't know why. Like, pag maghahatid ka ng girlfriend mo, di ka kinis. So, pag umuwi ka from work, tapos wala kang kiss galing sa girlfriend mo. Or pag,
Wala kang himas,
ako
wala
yung
kang
favorite.
himas.
Ako yung weak spot ko pag hinahalikan ako sa liig. Like, bro, what's up? What's up? Sorry, guys.
What
I know
happened?
we're
What
so
happened to
off topic
Tintin?
right now. But I just had to bring. This isn't even the first time he's done this to us, you know?
Offline. Laro na offline.
It's like one of his go-to metaphors is a kiss.
Lagi.
I don't know.
Tapos it depends saan. Hindi mo pa alam kung saan.
Dun, baka kulang, yung girlfriend niya or the one he calls his wife, baka kulang si Grim ng kiss or something, man. Like, please. I'm
You
so
do
tired.
not
Catch up
know
naman.
what's going.
Catch up naman
Bro, you
tayo.
do
Catch up
not
naman
know what's
tayo.
going on behind closed doors. Okay, so don't you talk. But guys, all I'm saying is Coke is better
Kanina
than Coke
kiss.
Zero,
Kalo-kalo.
Diet Coke, Coke Light, whatever it is. All right, go ahead, Mario. What happened to TNT?
Well, si Jordan Heading, when he got out of his condo kanina, kinis siya ng wife niya. So, he had a good game. He had a good game. Sorry. So, Jordan Heading, not to be rude to but ever since Bol went out with injury, Jordan Heading has looked like Jordan Heading. Ever
Actually,
since
weird,
that.
no? Parang weird coincidence. Parang hindi naman kabangga yung
Yeah.
ano.
Talagang mas fit talaga si McCullough sa dribble drive nila. That's just how it really is.
Ooh.
McCullough doesn't need the ball, but then when you need him to get a basket, he will.
He's gonna give it to you,
Yeah,
yeah.
but then now when without Bol, they've turned more to their guards, which is normal for them to do. Talaga under a coach Chot Reyes system. Jordan Heading had 30, brother, and he had the shot every single time that Meralco looked like they were going to win this game. And by the way, Meralco, you had this game. You had this
Yeah.
game. You just did some of the most mental lapsed things in the last few minutes that could have won you this game. But I'm gonna talk about it later. But Heading had the shot every time. Bonkin to hit a four, Heading hit a three. Bonkin to hit another four, Jordan Heading hit a three. Um, what is called the lead was down to 3 points nung end ng third quarter, pa end ng third quarter, Heading hit a three. Tapos Heading hit free throws. It's also always Heading. You know what I mean? Um, alam mo yung feeling na when you guys first saw Jordan Heading, because I think we all first saw him sa Gilas, we were all like, wow, this is the best shooter we've seen in a long time since Marshall, probably, 'di ba?
Yeah.
This is what you felt. This is what it felt like tonight watching Heading, or even in Game 5 watching Heading. Na wow, this is the Heading na they have been wanting to get, or they've been trying to have come out and play the same way, and he's been great ever since talaga that Bol injury. Let me just pull up the stats, so I know I'm not spurting out bullshit.
Spurting out
In
bullshit.
Bro,
game
he was the
3,
player of the game in game 4
yeah, in game 3
or
um
game 5.
he
I
had
don't know.
12 points
Yeah, but yeah,
in
not
in
this
game
kind of production at 30
yeah,
na or
Game
20
5.
in
plus.
game 4 he had 15, in game
Game
5 he
5
had
pala.
22, in game
Yeah,
6 he had
syempre.
30. Brother, ever since the Bol
Post
injury,
ball ball, yeah.
he's been going up and up and up, and now he gets to face off against admittedly not as good of guard defenders, I would say. I don't think RJ is as good of a defender as Newsome in that aspect, but maybe he's better than Brickman. It can go either way. So, but this was really just Heading and McCullough doing Heading and McCullough things. And Kelly Williams with the four-pointer at half. Alam mo yung ang sakit nun for Meralco. Kasi during the quarters themselves, for the first 10 minutes, andun sila eh. They're always in it. Nung
Yeah.
first quarter, lamang nga silang 7 points in the first 10 minutes or something like that eh. Tapos nung dulo, they lose energy and then they lost that quarter by 4 points. Same happens in second quarter. They're only down 3 points with 10 seconds remaining. They miss a layup. I think it was Gardner or it was Brickman. And na-convert ng TNT yan into a 4-point shot. So naging 7 points, di ba? Third quarter, the lead's down to 3 points again. And then in the last 1 minute, you allow 2 free throws from Heading and then yung end one ni Calvin Oftana. And again, in the fourth quarter, nung padulo na ulit, you're there and then nagkamali ka lang ulit sa dulo. This is
Bonking to.
Was it Bong? Yeah.
Yung
It was
offensive foul,
Bong.
yeah.
It was Bong. Ang sakit nun, but we'll talk about that later. For TNT, like we said for TNT, they've just been good. They've really been good. And one of our commenters brought this up dun sa last video natin. TNT is very, very good at finding mismatches. Yun talaga yung thing nila.
Yeah. Yep.
'Di ba? And they did that on the last play. Everybody in the world thinks the ball is going to Chris McCullough. But the moment Heading got the switch on Gardner, you'd think na the import against the semi-import has an advantage. But no. Dude, Heading had the advantage that whole time, man. And he's been playing like an import ever since Bol got injured. Had that underhand layup and one which won them the game, sealed the game for them basically.
Yeah, Jaman, laking bagay talaga ng 4-pointer ni Kelly. I'm gonna get to the game in a second. Pero I remember, and this is just give me 1 minute. I remember 16 years ago, I was watching a Ginebra game, do or die against Alaska. All right, game number 5. Nakatira si Joe Devance ng 3-pointer. Imagine Joe Devance was still in Alaska. Tapos yung katabi kong mama, umalis siya by halftime. Bro, imagine quarterfinals do or die. Umuwi siya by halftime. Sabi niya sa akin, yan ang ikakatalo ng Ginebra. Bro, Ginebra lost by 2 points in the end.
yung tres ni Alas, yung tres ni
Oo,
Devans.
pero yung tira ni Jody Vance, to beat the halftime buzzer din yun. Parang yun yung mga moment na parang, yun yung nasa isip mo, nasa na kaya yung mama na yun? Buhay pa kaya siya? Ganun. Nakasurvive kaya siya sa COVID? Parang ganun kasi parang, how, 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 how big of a prophecy is that na uuwi ka by halftime on a
Tinalo
do
ka pa,
or
no?
die game?
Di ba the prophet ka?
On a do
Tinalo
or
ka pa.
die game, unless you're a Purefoods fan, because the first game of that is Purefoods versus Rain or Shine, also game 5. How big of a prophet are you na umuwi ka in the middle of the game, right? And then you never lost on a game-winning shot by Timon Simpson na, 3 by. Anyway, ganun kalaki yung tira ni Kelly Williams. Parang it just reminded me of that moment. But, in reality, pinag-usapan natin ito sa Rain or Shine. Anyone can work sa Rain or Shine. Anyone pwede pumutok. Parang ganun din naman yung TNT
Pero men, dito alam mo kung kanino pupunta yung bola talaga. Like there are
Who?
guys
Of Tana.
who's
Okay,
getting the
got it.
ball.
Gotcha.
Of Tana, or it can be heading. You know what I mean? It's a lot of people who can get the ball. Pero alam mong ready sila sa moment na yun. Kasi they've been put in that moment before. Yan yung difference sa kanila ng Ross. Yung Ross, I think some of these guys have rarely been put in that position before. The only guy who I believe sa Ross, yung talagang nakalagay sa position na you need to win the game for us is Bin Karakut. I think, if I remember it correct, there was a conference kasi na Karakut was hitting every clutch three-pointer. I forgot which one it was. But then, he's the only guy who I believe has that experience na kailangan mo kumuha ng basket nung dulong
Pero
dulo.
hindi pa siya yung known talaga na kagaya
Oo.
nila, di ba? Nila of Tana.
Tana,
Who's
head,
the in that pecking order? So of Tana is number 1, and then I think
heading.
Castro
Ano
for
ko?
heading.
Ah,
Like ball in the hands, 95-95 against, game 7, the
Octana,
finals.
actually, as long as Castro is still there, I still think you go
It still
Castro.
is Castro. All right.
So,
All right. So Castro of Tana, Pugoy heading Pugoy. All right. Yeah, I got you. So that's the difference. Pero um every shot that heading took, talagang pamatay sunog.
Heat
And
check.
what's
Puro heat check
amazing,
si Jordan.
heat
Dami
check
niya mga
talaga
heat
man.
check
And what's
shots
amazing
niya.
about it, pucha man, pag nakakita niya si Patrick Gardner nakabantay sa kanya, susugurin niya talaga. Wala siyang
Grabe kasi
paki.
yun.
Wala talaga siyang paki kay Patrick Gardner. Tsaka kung ano yung takot ni Chet Holmgren kay Wemby, ganun
Ganon.
yung kawalan takot ni Jordan
Hey, call
Heading kay
back.
kay
That's
kay
accurate.
Patrick Gardner. Talagang right hand, left hand, driving, pull up, three-pointer. It doesn't matter. The fact that you shot 7 of 10 from 3-point land in a closeout game, we're in.
Speaking at the
Excuse
right
me.
time. Speaking at the right time.
Yeah, we're in your best player, because their best player is Calvin Oftana, no doubt.
It's been off.
Who struggled, only shot 4 of 12 from the field. That was a hard carry. That was, excuse me, that was a hard carry by Jordan Heading. And
Hey, Graham,
what I love, hey, what?
I have a question.
Yep.
Jordan Heading or RJ Barrientos?
Right now?
RJ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
RJ.
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 Yesterday,
Making sure.
RJ. Next week, RJ.
RJ. Last
Yeah.
month, last week.
This
doesn't matter.
conference, RJ.
He's been my BPC.
This
Just making sure.
conference.
I'm just making
He's
sure
been,
we're on the same page.
he's been my BPC. Bro, what I love about Jordan kanina, no hesitation eh. Alam mo, may mga larong ganun si Jordan eh. Na, di ba yung na-mic up si Coach Chot? Sabi niya, parang ayaw tumira ni Jordan, libre-libre. Ito talaga, pag nakakita niya talaga yung, pag nakakita niya yung...
When did he say that?
Yeah,
No,
kailan nga?
there's find it on TikTok. Yung naka-mic si Coach Yang and si Coach Chot ng game 1.
Game 1.
There was game 1 semis. So, someone shared it to the group. I'm gonna share it to you later. Pero may mga tira si Jordan na may ganung araw si Jordan na ayaw niya tumira.
I remember that post na. Never mind.
Yep, na ayaw niyang tumira. This one, he took it upon himself. Siguro na-realize niya rin na off si Calvin. Off din naman si RR. Castro is not his usual self, diba? Batak has been okay, mediocre at best in these playoffs, especially in this conference. So, wala talagang magiging katulong si Chris McCullough bukod sa kanya. And it was a low-scoring, actually, it wasn't a low-scoring game, but nobody reached 100 points. Jordan Heading had 30. He didn't want to play a game 7. I don't know if that was a call that was made, but
No, there was not.
yeah,
I feel like there was not. Dude, you can't tell me na may call na
yeah, I
pangit.
know,
Kasi
I know.
if there was a call that was made when Meralco went down 10, tapos na yun. Like dapat at that point tapos na yun. Na
Yeah.
if there was a call made, pero they really tried their hardest. This is the one time I was genuinely a Cliff Hodge fan. I was like, wow, this guy.
Grabe siya this series. Grabe siya
Yeah.
Okay,
this
sige,
series.
okay talaga si Cliff Hodge.
Bro,
Nakakatawa siya
ganda
palagi.
ng linaro ni Cliff this series. But
He's
go
been
ahead.
okay. He's been okay. But yeah, we can't. I cannot praise him enough. Makalo struggled.
With
That's
standards. Yeah.
yeah, but ano na yan eh, law of averages na yan eh, na parang at some point bababa ka sa average mo kasi impeccable talaga siya ng game 5, which
42.
42 points, 'di ba? So ang hirap i-replicate
Basic
doon
Paul
yung
George,
mga
no? Yung smooth lang na, 6'10 guy.
KD.
oh man.
That, more of Paul George. Because KD is, yeah,
Really?
let's,
I call him KD. Because Paul George at least slashes, I would say. Just because
Makalo ba doesn't slash? Makalo slashes
I
naman.
think
Not anymore. Not
KD.
Not
not
anymore
like
na
he
like
used
nung
to.
San
He's
Miguel.
yeah, it's like literally pull up, pull up, pull up. You know what I mean?
Okay, so
Unless
more
it's a
of
guy who's
KD.
tiny on him.
Ah,
Right,
yeah.
that's a bit slash, yeah.
Pero
Anyway.
he's a guy din talaga na ano na you can go to. Ibang-iba sila ni Bol Bol. Bol Bol can carry TNT to a championship by himself. Yung si Makolo ina-unlock niya yung buong team. Which is what makes them scary heading into the final series. Kasi he's 'di ba Mario pinag-usapan natin, he's like what 80-85% RHG at this point. And,
I
and
said
and that may
75.
be enough. He said 75 to 80, he said 80 to 85. All
Yeah.
right. And that may be enough to push them versus Inebra. So, great win by TNT. Grabe yung N1 ni Jordan heading in the end talaga with the right hand, pumping his chest in front of, I would say, 2,500 fans. 2,000 of those are not interested. But, you know, what a gutsy shot by Jordan Heading. What a gutsy game.
There's this guy who just okay. Going on to Meralco, man. My God. Okay, I'll say this. You had this game, brother. Uh, there was one play where Patrick Gardner was posting up on Calvin of Tana, had the full advantage. It was really his. And Cliff Hodge decided to just hold Chris McCullough's arm, pull him, and the offensive foul tuloy yung Meral.
Yeah.
Another one. Ito yung hindi ako super, I'm not a big fan of this call. Yung offensive foul call on Newsome. Uh, Kasi, I get it, natamaan yung mukha ni RR sa balikat ni Chris. Pero for me, medyo iba yung balikat sa, um, what's elbow in Filipino?
Siko.
Yeah, iba yung balikat sa siko. Yung sa balikat, parang mahirap yan i-control talaga as a player. Alam mo yun? Kasi you're trying, pag siko, talagang lalabas yun kung gusto mo. 'Di ba? Like, talagang lalabas yun, talagang aangat yun. Pero pag balikat, you're just trying to go up for a shot sometimes. That's one of the calls that I didn't really like, but I understand din why it was called offensive. Pero yung talagang ang sakit is ang ganda nung pasa ni Brickman, bro. Perfect pass ni Brickman to Bong Quinto to cutting baseline. And Bong Quinto, I don't know what was happening in this moment, pero naghanap siya ng contact eh. He was trying, naghahanap siya ng contact ni Calvin of Tana, and it ended up being called an offensive foul. And sadly, at that point, the game was tied. At that point, the game was tied, and the play after, I think, was the heading game winner. So, yun yung literal na, in that moment, things could have changed kasi you're up two instead of being tied game. Siyempre, tied game, if you miss the shot, what's the worst that can happen, di ba? Right?
Yeah.
But when you're down two, iba yung pressure na yun.
Iba nga yung
So,
pressure.
right? And I don't really know how the offensive fouls is, how the um charge circle works anymore. Sorry kasi medyo confused pa rin ako. Medyo confused ako right now about it. Kasi Calvin was inside the charge circle, pero halata namang binangga ni Bong. So I don't know how it actually works anymore. Pero men, yan yung sayang talaga, yung play na yun. Kasi Bong Quinto had a good game before that. down by 10, down by 11, something like that. He hit 2 4-point shots that kept them. Actually, it got them down to 3. The lead was down to 3 after the two Bonky into 4-point shots. So it and that layup would have put them in front. Pero yun nga lang, not the best decision to try and find that contact. I guess I think it's normal, 'di ba? When we play basketball, if you're a big man in particular, uh when you get the ball, yung normal na pattern mo talaga is bobomba mo talaga yun, di ba?
Oh,
Bobomba
di
mo,
ba?
mabangga ka, tapos titira ka. It's a normal motion, I think, na medyo nakakasanayan ng player. Pero in this moment, with 50 seconds left, that kind of was the one that gave TNT the opportunity to win. And it sucks. Kasi walang import yung TNT nung time na yun. Wala na silang import. Fouled out si C-Mac. So, if that game went to overtime, very good
Meralco
chance
yan.
na Meralco could win. Kasi, although they lost without an import, but you know what I mean. Pero
Again!
at that point, yeah. Not
Bro,
again!
bro, listen man. TNT had them where they wanted them to be, bro. No import.
Wait, dagdag ko lang din. The PBA made a stat. Wait lang, dagdag ko lang din. The PBA made a stat that Meralco lost to like importless.
Oo nga, naalala ko yun, man.
Pinakita nila, sabi ko, grabe itong graphic na to ah. Kala ko sa amin lang yung mag-share ng ganong graphic na
Whoever's the, yung new producer
nakikinig yung
ng PBA, you're hilarious, man. Sila yung
the
gumawa ng
graphic.
yung may Beldre graphic sila. Tapos
Yeah.
ngayon may importless teams against Meralco graphic.
Oh, ganun. Oh. And then Meralco lose eh.
Meralco, they have the graph. They've been so funny, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Pero yun yung masakit dun. Yan yung masakit talaga dun. And another thing na medyo masakit, Gardner, brother. You had a good game, but why are you just chucking up fours? may, there was a point in the game na medyo close, 7 points, 6 points, 8 points. He was just taking 4-point shots. I was like, what? What are you doing? I know he has the range, but oh my god, bro, relax, you're fine. So, I don't know. Um, it hurts kasi Cliff Hodge was good. Chris Newsome was, I think, probably his
Okay.
best team this series. 'Di ba? Like, yung heart and soul ng Meralco team for the past 8 years maybe, they came in the moments you needed them to. Cliff Hodge was amazing this whole series. But it kind of sucks that you lost that way. And of course, at the end, uh, I don't get taking the 4-point shot. I don't understand the need for the 4 there. Take a 3, you know what I mean? It's nearer. Pero I guess mas open yun. Pero maganda rin defense ni Calvin. Pero the Cancino 4 wasn't my favorite shot. That's the second time that the Cancino 4 hasn't been my favorite shot in 2 games, by the way. And then the after that it was already game.
Bro, tingin ko yung end game ng Meralco. Game 4, Cancino Dagger 4. Diba? Game 5, Cancino Airball 4.
Let's try it again.
Game 6, Cancino almost made 4. Like,
Yeah.
yun lang talaga yung play nila, hindi yun eh. Sayang sa Meralco, man. Kasi you were dead. 6:51 to go, you were down 14. Diba parang, no, okay na yan. I get it. Technically, uwian na kasi uwian na talaga yung mga tao eh. Pero it was it was an uwian na moment eh, na parang down 14 backs against the wall, less than 7 to go. Hirap na habulin yan. But they made it a game. Excuse me. I agree with you na Quinto was in the no charge zone. Pero minsan kasi pag lumabas yung mga yung elbow mo, yung chicken wing,
Yeah.
that's enough for the refs to say na that was illegal contact. Which is okay. If there was a guy na I'll give a pass na mag-commit ng error at that point, probably would have been Quinto or Hodge. Any of those two. Kay Gardner may inis din ako eh. Pero yung dalawa na yun, sila talaga yung dalawang nagpahabol. Like sila talaga yung may puso for Meralco in this game to win, na hindi talaga sila sumuko until the end. And true enough, 'di ba? when the game was tied, sorry, when they were down 3, sinusubukan pa rin nilang pumunta kay Quinto, but it ended up with Cancino. So what's sad for Meralco is they could have had this game, or sorry, they could have been playing in the 7th game if hindi nila pinabayaan yung game 3. But tapos na yun, di ba? Tapos na yun, binate na sila ng TNTR. I graduate to Simakar. Right now, we automatically win because now we automatically win because we all know.
You all
we all
think
know.
you're in an advantage?
Alright.
You all-
You,
you all
you think you think we're in a cage with you? No, you're in a cage with me. Parang ganun yung ano nila eh, di ba?
Yeah.
So that's
Okay
what I'm
yun,
saying na
Nagising ako
parang
dun Okay yun.
sayang yung game, sayang yung series, sayang yung clutch moments. But again, for me, it boiled down to CJ Cancino. And the announcers, the commentators kept on harping about that na they've been attacking him on defense nung first quarter, first half. And then you saw his minutes. I think this is the lowest that he had in this series. 11 and a half minutes played. That just shows you na they did not have the trust kay CJ Cancino anymore. And I saw the comment, Mario, na sinabi mo na magaling talaga yung TNT maganap ng mismatch. That's why CJ is being exposed. And RJ may be exposed too. Who knows? But RJ is more important to Ginebra than CJ
Pero
is to
dagdag ko na rin, I
Meralco.
don't
That's for
think RJ will have the same problems he had with Jason Castro. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
I'm sure he
But-
sana naman, di ba? Sana naman.
I mean, he did have problems with Nambatak. He hasn't seen heading yet in the finals/playoffs. So this is the first time. This is a good
Yeah, let's see
gauge.
how let's see how
Pero
how
I
he has
don't
improved.
think kasi si RJ is ibabangko mo kagaya kay Cancino man. Kasi patay talaga opensa mo pag wala si
Iwabang ko
RJ.
si RJ.
Wala na. He's
Hindi
at
mo na
this
pwede
point.
ibang ko.
He's at the point of no return na parang, okay, he's off, bangko natin siya. Kasi wala sa LA.
May mga Jamie
Diba?
rin ng time na yun eh. Di ba?
Yeah, may mga ganun ka pa, di ba? May mga Jamie Malonzo ka pa. So, but CJ Cancino, I feel bad for the guy because he's uber talented. But come next conference, bro, even if he score 84 points, all we're gonna say is do it in the playoffs. Do it in the playoffs. And
Even this guy scores 150, you gotta do it in the playoffs.
yeah, it doesn't matter.
Kasi
84
Grab minsan mo sinasabi ni Grab.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a Cancino fan, but at this point, I can't help but agree with Grim, which is rare. Which is rare, by the way. This is rare kasi
Oo, kasi magsasawa ka talaga. Magsasawa ka
Yeah.
talaga sa ganun.
it's the same. Here's the same thing. It's the same as Austin Reeves, right? AR is amazing in the regular season, but we've never seen him actually play a great
Isn't
playoff.
he coming off the
Actually,
injury
no, he
though?
did play game
Hamstring.
one.
He's coming
His
off
first
an
play of
hamstring
game was
injury.
great. Si AR against Memphis. That's game 1 against Memphis. But I get what you mean. I get what you mean na hindi siya kagaya ng AR, especially this regular season. Ito lala talaga ni AR ngayong regular season na to. But he's not him, or he's not like that in the playoffs. Especially this year. So
Well,
again,
bata pa naman.
I get you.
So,
Ano, bata pa rin si CJ, but at some point,
Mm.
you'll get old. You know what I mean? Na parang you'll stop getting
Well,
the passes.
thanks for the obvious, Grim. Yes, at some
All
point
right,
we
Captain
will get
Obi.
old.
Sorry, I forgot to wear my my cap. Pero it's the opposite of, let's say Scotty or Luka. Na parang poop, the playoffs, they're a different animal. So until they figure out, which is funny because they already won a championship. But if they want to add that trophy to that Meralco gym, then they have to figure out a way to either maitago si CJ on defense or have him improve in the postseason. Kasi in a series na araw-araw yun yung kalaban mo, they'll figure out a way to take advantage of you. One more thing, super late talaga ng pagpapalit kay Patrick Gardner, man. It should have been as early as game
if
3.
they had him start of the regular season or at least hit middle, I think it would have been different.
No, just this series alone.
If he
If
started in
Patrick
game
Gardner
1.
plays game 3, they don't lose
Forget-
game 3.
Bro, I don't even think they lose game 1.
If he was there, like, if he was
No, they
Actually,
lose game
pa
one,
si
they
Bol Bol, but it was a close game eh. But
Ang bak yun.
they will win the series if they had
Ang bak
Patrick
ba yun?
Gardner from the start. No, hindi. Dikit lang yun.
I mean, that was TNT was up by 14.
Double digits. And
Tapos
then
yun yung na
Meralco
ano,
came
diba?
back.
Yung nag-airball si
Dalawang
Bulbul ng
si
mid-range.
and then dalawang sablay si Calvin Oftana from the free throw line. So,
Yeah.
this series was close. Diba? This series was really, really close.
Bro,
There's
all of
only
the games were settled by what?
one,
Uh,
two possessions.
1 to 2 possessions always. Like it felt that
Mhm.
way at the very least,
Fun si
diba?
Gardner. I wish they bring him back sa next, ano na lang. Okay si Patrick Gardner.
Oh, pero wag naman i-bring back nila game 4 na ulit na semis. Semis over.
Bring back. Marvin Jones muna ulit.
I actually don't think he comes back. Share ko lang.
You don't think,
Feeling
you
ko may
don't
kukuha na
feel?
dyan. Feeling ko may
Bro,
kukuha na dyan.
third option na nila yun. First option nila si what's his
Romero.
name?
No, he could be busy somewhere. Like sa
Yung
previous, baka may
yung
ibang
soccer
league.
player.
Baka may ibang league no Mario. There must be a different league he's coming
I'm
from.
not sure. I haven't seen Patrick Gardner in a while. He doesn't. I don't know if he plays in any other. He's not in any of the major Asian leagues, so I don't know where he is.
You would
Uh,
know, no? You
yeah,
would
I
know.
would. I actually would, man. So yeah, that really
Yeah.
sucks for Meralco, man. That really sucks for Meralco. But ito yung thing, wala silang kulang. Meralco, parang they're not missing anything. For me,
Ano naman?
maybe one dead shot shooter. Yung literal na, parang yung, wag mo iwanan yan, brother. Di mo pwede iiwan yun. Like, Hinebra has RJ, TNT has Calvin, Jordan, RR, SMB has Marshall, Don. You know what I mean? Yeah, I can't think of any other team. Maybe one more major shooter. I'll bring up the name Javi Gomez de Leaño. Because
SMC's not gonna trade him, bro.
brother,
Meralco.
he is the most plug and play piece in the world. But yeah, dude, at least
Local Looney Omot.
local Looney Omot,
Look!
local Looney Omot
Yeah.
is so funny. That's
Right.
so annoying.
Former teammate niya pa, by the way.
Yeah, but yeah, dude, that's fine for Meralco. You tried your best.
The Hinebra vid is uploaded. Someone at Mitch Asuncion said, sorry to say, but di deserve ng dalawa tong platform mo, Nico. Well, Mitch Asuncion, sorry to say, but I don't give a you-know-what.
Oh, calm down.
Alright.
It's fine.
You're gonna see us again.
It's fine.
And you don't stop
Can you-
watching the channel, you're gonna keep on seeing
Can
us.
you calm down, man?
Meralco,
You're fine.
good conference. Am I happy that you lost? Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm so curious though. Why? What did we say that we didn't deserve this platform? I'm
I
kind
don't
of
know.
confused.
I don't know. Yeah, it's probably a paid hater. Whoever's paying you, I'm gonna pay you twice. Just stop that, okay?
Oh
Um,
no,
but-
my God, bro is rolling.
But
Baka
Meralco,
baka alam mo naman, that person's reeling from a Ross loss, no? So,
Dude,
parang-
bro, I don't think they're
reading.
reeling from a Ross loss. I think they're reeling from a Hinebra win. Mas masakit, bro. Alam mo, mas masakit pag hater kapag nananalo yung team na hate mo eh. That's why you'll see me pag Magnolia loss post. Putya, katawa talaga ako dun. Pero pag Ginebra, like lang, ganun. Minsan puso. Pero pag Ginebra, Magnolia loss
marami ka
talaga.
pang laugh
like that.
reaction, pero bawal sabihin dito.
Grabe talaga. Yeah. Well, you don't expose me for that. But yeah, man.
I'm genuinely curious what we said in that video that we did.
I don't know.
No, I think
But-
just,
But either way, man,
you get
yeah,
random
Graham
people.
Graham isn't wrong, man. We deserve it or we don't deserve it. Sadly,
Yeah.
we are here.
Yeah, you tune in Tuesday night, we're gonna be here. Tuesday and Wednesday night after game on, we're gonna be here. So you either stop watching or you keep on seeing
The
our
pod
faces
based
and
Graham
hearing
Scar.
our voices. All right,
Hey,
Mike,
sana,
Mike
no?
Asuncion.
Hey,
I'm not gonna
calm
stop
yourself
yapping.
down. What the hell was that? What the hell was that?
It's 12:58, and that's the thing.
Okay,
Bro,
okay
we
na ba
don't,
tayo?
we're not taking it personally, bro. Thanks for
Yeah.
watching either way.
Yeah, you
one
two,
more-
you're not taking it personally. I'm taking it personally. Mitch
Graham does
Oh.
take it
DM
personally.
me.
Yeah. Well, why would Nico take it personally? They were giving Nico a compliment. They,
Oh, I know.
they were shitting on me and you. But by the way, guys, yeah, because Nico's so sleepy, I'll be the one to say it so that we can end this thing. Hinebra video is already up. Go ahead, check that out. We posted it like 30 minutes ago, and then this one's coming out 6 a.m., 8 a.m. I forgot. I'm not really sure.
11:30.
8:30 a.m. So check that out as well. Also, NBA fans out there, check that out. We're gonna do the NBA episode tomorrow night. if I'm
Oo, baka yun
remembering.
na. Basta magre-record kami.
Yeah, and look at this guy. He's half asleep, yo. He's
Oh, man.
yeah, and then we'll do this finals preview Tuesday. I know tomorrow as well for
Tomorrow night.
posting on Tuesday. So yeah,
Yep.
we're love us, hate us. Sadly, we'll keep being here.
Now you
So
know the schedule, Mitch Asuncion.
dude, please let it go. Stop calling her out
Or
stop
him,
calling them
or
out.
him,
Oh, yeah.
or
Stop
him.
calling them out. My bad. Stop calling them
Them
out
day.
personally. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, either way. Before sort of we end on a positive note, for all those people who what's it called? They keep asking us for videos, or they asking us when the next video is coming out, and they always try to comment first and all that. We super appreciate you guys, man. All the love and support.
But we also don't know when the next video will come
Bro,
out.
hindi rin namin alam.
Hindi
One
rin
last
namin
thing.
alam.
We are busy. Nico's busy. Mario's a student. I work 3 jobs on our way out on one of them. Keeping 2 of them. And
What's
then, of course,
happening?
this pod. So,
Something's
It's okay.
weird with you
It's
tonight,
okay. The
man.
pod will sustain your
yep. So, just please bear with us. Pero man, pag PBA finals, we keep, lalo ngayon nakapasok kay Nebra. So,
Also, additionally, if
we'll
there's
find a
somebody
way.
who wants to sponsor us, come on, do me a solid, man. These two earn a lot of money. I don't. These two earn a lot. I don't. And last thing, shout out to this guy, Donovan. He's always first to comment. But shout out to you, man.
Mitchell?
Donovan, di Donovan. Ikaw naman.
Jonovan Manuel
Ikaw naman eh.
7301, bro, get some sleep or, I'm gonna
Yeah,
make
by
an
the way,
admin
man, it's 1
remove
a.m. You shouldn't be
Mitch
first to anything.
Mitch
Bro,
Asuncion.
please stop this. You know what? I'm so tired of you. Okay, we're sorry, man. Anyway, thanks so much for all the love, guys. Go ahead.
Follow
Nick.
5-star rating, like, comment on YouTube. 6-month podcast. Nico Marigram.
Ayos,
Peace.
amigos. Mitch.
No.